Need to quickly and efficiently get a call to the right person. Let's dive into how to transfer calls directly within the Retell platform first. You'll need an active call. When an incoming call appears on your screen, you'll see the familiar Retell interface showing all the call details across the bottom. You should see the transfer button, which is crucial to starting the call transfer process. Locate that button. Now click that transfer button. Once pressed, you'll see a panel appear with different options for transferring the call. This panel empowers you with choices designed to streamline call routing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to choose how to find the recipient for the call. If you know who you are trying to connect to specifically, you can search for a specific user. You can also search within a specific team, which could streamline workflows if the department is best suited to handle the call. Let's say you want to search for an agent's name. Start typing their name in the available provided search bar. As you begin typing, Retell will automatically start showing matching results. It's like having a shortcut to the perfect person. Once you see the name of the user you need to connect to, simply click on their name to select them. Once you select the desired user, your call will begin transferring automatically to that agent. That's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred a call using Retell. You've now saved yourself time and kept your workflows running smoothly. Explore other Retell features to revolutionize your call management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Retell tips.